Oh, hey guys. I'm working on a scroll for my storytelling. A scroll is a book that is, instead of folded pages, it is rolled up on one single sheet of paper. I made this week, and I hope that you can use it for your storytelling too. Not only did I make my scroll, but I also made a case for it to go in. When I'm finished working, I can roll up my scroll and then tie it and it'll fit nicely inside of my case so that I can carry it around wherever I want to go and work on it whenever I'm ready. And the scroll stays protected. Let's have a look and see how I've made this scroll and case. Some of the materials you'll need for your scroll and case are scissors, glue stick, paper rolls, skewer, and a pencil. Let's start by preparing the scroll paper. The first thing that I did was I tore 2 sheets of paper in half lengthwise and then glued them together at the ends. This will make one long paper. Then I prepared the skewer by cutting it so that it would fit the ends of the paper. And then I tore the edges to give it an old look. Next, I crumpled it up to give it some texture and added some markers that I sprayed with water. This will give it a little bit of color. Now let it dry. Now let's make the case. The case is made from 2 pieces of paper roll that I cut to fit the size of the paper. I used a bit of thin card and taped it to the end of the paper rolls. Next, roll a sheet of paper for the inside of the tubes and cut it so that it's just above the top of the tube. Tape it to the inside of the paper roll. Make sure that the lid and tube fit, and then you can start to decorate your paper rolls with other decorated paper. It's a little collage. You can add other bits of paper for details. To finish the scroll, after it was finished drying, I ironed it so that it could get out all the wrinkles. Then I glued the skewers to the ends of the papers and rolled it up. Finally, I added a bit of string so that I could tie it together so it wouldn't come unrolled.